Hi everybody, welcome. Today I have Sony SRS-XG300 speaker and I'm going to tell you how can you easily connect your speaker with your phone using cable. It doesn't have to be a phone, it can be any device that has jack cable port. And at first, the first step is you have to prepare yourself a USB jack to jack cable, which looks like this. Now you have to plug the first part of the jack cable into your phone jack port over here. Now the second part of the cable you have to plug into your device. So to do so, we have to unwing this shield at the back over here. And as you can see here, we have audio in port. You have to plug this cable into this audio in port. And that's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.